Hey guys, so this is the last in this series, and I wanted to talk to you about makeup for big pores. Now, as a deeply combination sort of gal, I am very conscious of makeup and its potential to either be completely winning or a huge hindrance in context of pores. I thought I would just share with you my approach to making up to compensate for this irksome problem. The first consideration when making up pore-prone skin is, I think, to skip long wear foundation, concealer, basically anything with the word long wear in it. They tend to be comedogenic in my experience. I've just seen too many people using too many long wear foundations to not think that there is a link. And I think the thing is that they're so hard to get off that over time, there's also the potential for debris from the on-removed makeup to accumulate in your pores and potentially stretch them up. So I think two really good reasons to skip long wear. The next thing to think about is skipping powder. Now, I know if you have oilier combination skin, that might really seem like a struggle, but much like the long wear story, I think that powder collects, it pools with oil and skin cells and just promotes the whole process of comedogenesis and making pores more prominent, unclogged, and potentially triggering breakouts as well. So if you have an oily T-zone, please, 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 blotting papers. Whilst I understand the conundrum of oily skin and the desire not to add yet more shine, I think you can achieve a really good matte finish result with cream products. And in particular, I think NARS does an excellent job with their Velvet Matte Tint and their Soft Matte Concealer. So I would suggest to you that as you go through your day, as the oil might come through and interfere with your base, to blot meticulously and then reapply a touch of matte concealer to take down the shine, to control any redness, and to avoid that step, which I think just makes matters worse. The next consideration is to really know brands that know clog prone and pore heavy skin well. And in general, those are brands that would tend to be compatible with those who are acne prone, because it's all about the activity in the pore after all. So brands I really like include Lancome, Armani, NARS, and EX1. But to get the full list of products I like for this situation, head over to sign up to my newsletter, my acne cheat sheet, because the brands I recommend for acne are also good for those concerned with their pores. The next thing I would reassure you about is that your color cosmetics matter less than your base products. Is really that what covers your skin that matters when it comes to preventing the appearance of pores becoming more magnified. So worry not about your contouring, about your blush. Focus really your attention on getting the right products for your skin, and then relax and enjoy your freedom with your color. The last point I would make is really more of a philosophical one. So you've sorted out your skincare, you've got your actives going, so your pores might still be visible to you up close and personal, but they're clear and they're not attracting the light because of black dots. So I think the key thing really is to see yourselves as others do. And I talked about this before, which means viewing yourself from conversation distance, not close to the mirror distance, which is what we all tend to do. And I think that's what starts that inner negative chat. Make the rest of your skin as bright and glowy and fresh-faced as possible. And I promise you, your pores will not factor into anyone else's view of you. And I think that's how you should see yourself. So there you have it, my approach to pore-prone skin when it comes to makeup, and not a pore-reducing or a priming product in sight. More of that to come. Hope you enjoyed this series, guys. I think it is a topic that bothers a lot of people, but I think that with a healthy perspective, the right skincare and makeup, and a touch of, I don't know, realism and self-acceptance, we can all be happier about our pores. Bye for now.